The Minicom by Triplite 0SU70036 Smart 216 IP 16-port multi-user Cat5 KVM switch is the smart solution for controlling multiple computers and servers in complex, demanding IT environments. Requiring just 1 U of rack space, the 0SU70036 features a rugged housing, premium connectors, and superior functionality to ensure trouble-free operation in demanding high-availability environments. The 0SU70036 can control 16 servers or computers directly and is compatible with both PS2 and USB connections, using Triplite OSU 51078 or OSU 51079 server interface units, with inexpensive Cat5e or Cat6 patch cables, such as Triplite N201 series. Built-in IP capability enables 1 local and 2 remote users to access the network independently and simultaneously. If you need to control multiple servers in complex environments from 1 unit, order the Minicom by Triplite 0SU70036 Smart 216 IP 16-port multi-user Cat5 KVM switch.